Nawit challenge ninyo bay ba? Ay sa undag sa magduwa. Bay. Bay. Kita mo ane?
Kwarta.
Oh, pag-WhatsApp ba? Nawit challenge ninyo. Kuan lang. Nakoy acronym nga ihatag inyong ansiran. Game? Saman?
Sige.
Game? Kwarta na na. Pag-WhatsApp.
Kasi itaw eh.
Pag-WhatsApp lagi. Game?
Game.
Oh, sige. For 50 pesos. What is the meaning of dole? Ikaw.
Dole. Department of Labor Agency.
Ikaw.
Dole. Department of Lecture.
Wala, wrong.
Wrong nga pala ako.
Okay, next. Acronym for 100 pesos. What is the meaning of DENR?
Mga bobo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay, next acronym for 150 pesos. What is the meaning of LGU? Okay, ikaw.
LGU. Local Government Unit.
Correct! You have 150 pesos. Okay, next acronym for 200 pesos. What is the meaning of DSWD? Okay, ikaw.
Department of Social Welfare.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wrong. Okay, ikaw.
Department of Social Welfare Development. Di ba? Ito?
Correct. 200 pesos. Okay, next acronym for 250 pesos. What is the meaning of DILG? Ikaw.
DILG. Department of International League.
1, 2, 3,
Government, League
4, 5. Wrong. Ikaw.
DILG. Department Economic
1, 2, 3,
Social
4. Wrong. Next. For 250 again. What is the meaning for SSS? Okay, ikaw.
SSS. Senior Citizen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ikaw.
SSS.
Oh.
Senior Citizenship.
Wrong. The correct answer is Social Security System. Okay, next. Darungan ninyo. So, next na to is what is the meaning of DPWH for 250 pesos? Okay, ikaw.
Department
1,
Apologize
2, 3, 4. Wrong. Okay, ikaw.
DPWH. Department of Pro Worker Development.
Wrong. The correct answer is Department of Public Works and Highways. Next acronym for 250 pesos again. What is the meaning of KUA? Okay, ikaw.
KUA. Commission on Audit.
Correct. You have 250,000. 250 pesos dito. 4. 500 pesos. What is the meaning of NDRRMC?
Ow!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next. For 500 pesos again. What is the meaning of BIR?
B-R-I?
BIR. Okay, ikaw.
BIR. Bureau Interrogative Region.
Wrong. Okay, ikaw.
Bachelor Economic System?
Wrong. The correct answer is Bureau of Internal Revenue.
Ow!
Okay, for 500 pesos again. What is the meaning of PNP? Okay, ikaw.
Philippines
1,
National
2, 3, 4. Wrong. Ikaw.
PNP. Philippines National Police.
Okay, correct. You have 500 pesos. For 500 pesos again. What is the meaning of BFP? Okay, ikaw.
Purifier Force
Wrong. Okay, ikaw. BFP.
BFP. Bureau of Fire Protection.
Correct! You have 500 pesos. Okay, next. For 500 pesos again. What is the meaning of AFP?
Mga bobo!
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ikaw.
Action Potential Philippines
Wrong. ikaw.
Agricultural Fisheries Aquatic Resources.
Wrong. The correct answer is Armed Forces of the Philippines. For 1,000 pesos, what is the meaning for ASEAN? Okay, ikaw.
Agriculture Systematic
Wrong. Okay, ikaw.
ASEAN. Australia, South Korea, Europe, Indonesia.
Wrong. The correct answer is Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Okay, last. For 1,000 pesos, what is the meaning of SEATO? SEATO. Okay, ikaw.
SEATO Southeast Asian
Ow!
Treaty Organization.
Otro.
Southeast Asian Treaty Organization.
Okay, correct. You have 1,000 pesos.
Ah!